guys, Chuck Unplugged, and I'm back in another video. Today we're going to show you how to breakdance. So like, if you need a couple moves, let's say you're going to a party, a bar, a dance club, and you need to know how to like bust a couple moves out. I'm going to show you some. I might give out like a few. I don't know how many I'm going to give y'all, but I'll give out a couple. This is just a head bob. This is how you go with the beat of music. Let's say you go doom, doom. This is how you like do the right, like pumping your fist. You like a little head move too. Next, we're gonna go like, let's say you're like in the middle of the floor and people are watching. You gotta do this. Something like that. You know? Oh, that made me sweat a little bit, but if you want to do like little spin, like that, yeah. I'm trying to think like, some move that gets the ladies looking. Just to like start doing this and flop those wings. No, I'm joking, don't do that. You're gonna get booed at. Shoot. Or something like this. Something like that. Something like that. Okay. So, one more move that will get the lady looking. You guys just gotta go like, let's say you're in a club, the music's popping, you got some, let's say electronic music going, you're just gonna follow it like, you just go, yeah. Hey. This is the freestyle. I don't know. Shoot, I cannot move on the ground at all. You guys, that's it for today. I'm sweating right now, so see you next time. Chuck the blood. I'm out. Peace out.